Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of the platform from mt4, and I want you to spend a little time going through each item to get you familiar with it. Here, I just happen to have the Euro USD dollar pair pulled up, and I have it on a daily time frame, and I have it shrunk to the smallest zoom size. So it's at the smallest level in zoom size, and I want you to always start with the smallest level of zoom size. That way you'll get a full picture of what the market has done over the last few weeks or months. In this case, we're looking at the last few months since June 27th, a few years, all the way up to current day. Okay, so what I do is start from the daily time frame if I'm going to swing trade. Okay, well, you'll see another part in the course, and you may be joining me live when we look for swing trades if you join the swing trading group. In that group, we just look at the trades that we're going to be paying attention to and looking for trade setups a week in advance. And sometimes you can get into a swing trade on the day side too, but we'll talk about that in other videos. Right now, this video, we're going to focus on the platform. So I'm going to eliminate that and show you how I opened that account. You're going to go to Open New Chart. I just clicked the top one. There it is. I expanded it. Now, I don't like all these grid lines in here, so what I do is right-click on your mouse button, go to Grid, and get rid of the grid. Again, I shrink it all. I'm going to go to the daily chart, and then I shrink it all the way down to the daily. I do that to get an idea of where the market is currently. Then I typically insert a shape, and I put the shape at the bottom. You can't see it down until I change the color, but I'll do that for green, and that'll tell me where the bottom is. Okay, so I will then blow up my screen. I still see my bottoms. Now, as I zoom in on my screen, as you see, everything changes, and these are different candlestick patterns. Okay, we're going to talk about patterns in a minute. I'm going to also insert another shape. I'm going to put it on the top of here. That lets me know where the top of the market is. Now, I don't like bar charts. I like candlestick charts. So I'm going to go here to the top. You'll see candlesticks, and it'll change everything for you. Real quickly, we go over you have File, you have View, Languages, Toolbars, Market stuff. Spend some time going through here. You have your toolbars, things you can set up in here, status bar, chart bar, symbols. If you want to add symbols to your market watch, you can. Then you can insert indicators. I have some custom indicators that's going to come with the course, and I'll provide you those custom indicators to make things a little easier, like the support and resistance I just set up. I have a custom-made indicator that'll help you do that instantly. You have charts. You go to bar, candle line, foreground chart, time frames, templates. We'll talk about templates as well. As you can see, I have a lot of different templates in here. They all serve a different purpose, and some of the templates you'll be receiving in the course as well. Then you have tools, options. For back testing, you will go into tools area. That's really for back testing, and that comes in. You can go to YouTube and check out more on tools. Most of this other stuff you may not be using. But what's really important is you understand your crosshairs, draw your vertical line, draw your horizontal line, draw your trend line. I don't really use this channel. Your Fibonacci becomes important in the future. Sometimes you want to write on your chart. So you click on text. You might want to write something like here, what I see in this particular chart, I see a new uptrend trying to start. New uptrend, I might write, trying to start. I'm going to change the color. I might put that on my chart like that, and change the color from that to something I can see. Boom, so I might make a note on the chart, a new uptrend trying the chart. Why do I say that? Because I see a double bottom. We'll talk about that in a different video when we come to support and resistance and determining where the real levels are. Here you have your time frames. Go to 1 minute time frames. It drills down to the 1 minute. Your 5 minute time frames, 15-minute time frames, 30-minute time frames, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. And that text stay with me. And you notice here, I'm gonna spread this out all the way there on the monthly. And you may not know this yet, but I'm gonna give you a tip here. This right here lets me know we're maybe looking for a new uptrend to start pretty soon. Okay, so that's the basics about this chart. There are a few other things you can do. You can view your terminal. This recording is not letting me do that for some reason. Your terminal is down here. If I can grab it, I'm not able to grab it, but I'll show you that in a different video. So as you see here, I have it on the monthly chart. We're going to go back to daily chart, and we're going to go back to the daily chart. We're going to blow it up, and now we have a look of the daily chart here. And I see a new swing trade set up, and you can also use it as a day trade. And if you use it as a day trade, we'll talk. You'll find that out in a day trading course. But for now, we're just going over the basics of the platform. Again, you would go here if you want to open a chart, open a new chart. I like to clear my grids, so I click the right mouse button, clear my grids. I like to always go to the daily, and I always like to take a full picture by zooming all the way in as tight as possible. Then I begin to set up my charts. I would insert a shape. I go to the bottom, take it all the way to the left. I'll insert a shape. Go to the top, for the left, go all the way to the left. Lets me know where my tops are. And then we'll talk about drilling down in another video. But again, I want you to get familiar with the platform. So spend some time getting familiar with the platform. And I'm going to introduce to you another platform for you guys can actually practice trade or simulate trade more quickly to help you better understand and recognize patterns. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.